to do super cool rising water experiment. We need a candle, plate, bowl of water, color, and a glass. First we lit up the candle. Then we pour water. Then we flip this glass over, slowly put. Now, wait. The water is going to rise. Look, rising water is happening. If we take a candle and cover it with a cup, the candle needs oxygen to burn. The cup inside it itself has oxygen, but when the oxygen runs out, the inside will be low pressure and outside will be high pressure. So the low pressure inside it gets up and the high pressure pushes the water inwards. So that makes the rising water experiment. Thank you.